Okay. Number 20. A seller whose doorpost and entrance light on the ground in a horizontal position is exempt from the Mezuzah, because only a standing doorpost are called Mezuzah and require Mezuzah. Okay. Noda Beyehuda, Siman 184. Let's read commentary and explain. Commentary say the Torah says that Mezuzah is required on the doorpost of your house. Okay, so basically we're talking about, like here we say we also have it in our city, like you have a store, and you have like basement, like it starts right there next to the store. So you open the gate and you go downstairs, right? So there is a door. There's two pieces of the door, two sides of the door, and there's a door frame. So this door frame, you don't need to put Mezuzah there because it's horizontal. The doorpost should be vertical. Okay. So very interesting.
Wait, question. You know how they have the sliding doors, right? Like it slides to the left, slides to the right.
Yeah.
Now, when the door is when it slides to the right, does it now count as a part of the doorpost or no?
No, the door. Even I have a sliding door right in front of me, but still have a frame for the door. You put it on a frame.
But let's say there's, for example, a normal door frame, okay? Then in the middle of the door frame, there's a slit that's enough for the door to slide in through there. And so it's in the middle of the doorpost pretty much. So does it count as the doorpost?
Yes. Yeah. No, I got it. Yeah, I have simple one. I know, like you're talking about like elevator style, correct?
Yeah, we'll say that. Yeah.
Yeah, it would require. Okay.
Oh, wait. One question. So you said we don't need mezuzahs on the elevators, correct?
Yes.
Okay, interesting. Because I went to one place and they had mezuzahs on the elevators.
On the elevator?
On the wall of the elevator.
Yeah.
You're supposed to have it there or no?
No.
Okay, then I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. Maybe they should join our class. I don't know. Okay.